that you're going to give your very best. That you're going to take every opportunity and make the best of it. Teachers, you did the same thing. You literally made a contractual agreement to pour into these babies. So it's not about how you feel. It's about them. It's not about how you feel. It's about your future. It's not about how you feel. It's about Hedgepath Williams and your future. So I need you to take advantage of every opportunity. I need you to give your very best. I need you to stretch yourself. I need you to continue to pour in them, even when they get on your nerves. I know, right? It's Friday. I need you to continue to pour in them. I need everybody to lock in. I need everybody to what? I can't hear you. I need everybody to what? I need everybody to what? Listen, this is your year, but you gotta take it. This is your year, but you gotta stretch. This is your year, but you gotta stay focused. This is your year, you have to challenge yourself because excellence and greatness is inside of you. I'm Al Hall for the Dream Catchers. I can't wait to see you guys next month. Have a great day!